Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. We're in the heart of the planting season and summer's just around the corner. If you've been itching to get your summer container gardens ready, you'll be happy to know that we are now fully stocked with an enormous selection of summer annuals, ready to bring a splash of color into any landscape. With so many annuals to pick from, it can be tough to figure out where to start. In this video, we're going to be going over a variety of common landscape planting scenarios so that you can worry less and plant more. The first condition we're going to talk about today is full sun, and here are some of my beautiful, colorful favorites. Cosmos are a lovely addition to any sunny garden, as they have a beautiful, fern-like leaf that adds a wonderful texture, and they come in a variety of pinks, whites, and purples. One of my favorite, underutilized thrillers in any sun-loving garden are Cleome. They have these beautiful, unique eye-catching flowers that come in a variety of pinks, purples, reds, and whites. Zinnias are a classic filler in any landscape, known for their beautiful arrangement of colors and the fact that they make a great cut flower. They come in a variety of reds, oranges, yellows, pinks, purples, and even whites. There's every color for every situation. One of the most classic landscape challenges for any gardener is figuring out what plants to put in shade. Fuchsia is a fantastic plant for any shade garden. They're a wonderful filler, and they come in a variety of pinks, purples, and reds. And one of the most classic fillers for any shade garden are the Impatiens. They come in a variety of pinks, whites, reds, and purples. We even have the double Impatiens, which have a multi-petal flower to them. One other amazing flower for the shade are the Begonias. They come in flowers ranging from reds, pinks, whites, oranges, yellows, and they even come with these beautiful leaf colors like the Rex Begonias that make a beautiful thriller in any garden. And one of the most popular questions we get here at Bountiful Gardens is what plants are good for hummingbirds? And let me tell you some of my awesome favorites. One of the lesser known plants that hummingbirds absolutely adore is called Cuphea. This plant comes in a variety of reds, oranges, and yellows and has this beautiful, unique tubular-like flower. Snapdragons are a classic plant that plenty of gardeners know and love. They attract hummingbirds galore and come in shades of pinks, reds, purples, yellows, and more. One of the most well-known flowers for attracting hummingbirds are the Salvias. They come in a variety of purples, blues, reds, pinks, and whites, and they have a lovely minty fragrance that helps to keep the deer and rabbits away from your garden. And speaking of deer, a problem we all face in New Jersey, let's talk about some plants that they don't like to eat. Marigolds come in a variety of yellows, oranges, and reds, and serve the dual purpose of having a beautiful flower show while also keeping deer and rabbits out of your garden. Lantana is a wonderful flower to add to any garden as it's highly deer resistant and has a wonderful citrusy smell. It comes in a variety of pinks, yellows, reds, and oranges, and is a wonderful nectar source for a lot of our butterfly species. Sweet Alyssum, as you may have guessed, has a wonderful sweet aroma to the flower. It comes in a variety of pinks, purples, blues, and whites, and is great at keeping the bugs away in addition to keeping the deer away. Now that you're a little more familiar with all these gorgeous annuals, you might be wondering how to best put them together in a container garden. To talk about some of the wonderful combinations you can create, let's hand things over to Amelia at Bountiful Gardens Ewing.
For our first arrangement, I've put together a grouping of shade annuals featuring Begonias, Lobelia, and Fuchsia. For our second planter, which is focused on deer resistance, we have Salvia, Lantana, and Sweet Alyssum, which are also all sun-loving annuals. For our third arrangement, I've put together a grouping of sun-loving annuals featuring our Cosmos, Zinnias, and Petunias. For our last arrangement, we've focused on hummingbirds, featuring Cuphea, verbena, and marigolds. Once you've made your picks, make sure to choose some high-quality potting soil and plant food so your plants can look their best all summer long. Need a watering can? Maybe a trowel, some garden snips, or some gloves? Bountiful Gardens has it all. If you've been dreaming of bringing your porch or patio into festive summer life this year, let this be a sign to get out and start gardening today. We can't wait to help you achieve your gardening goals. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Give us a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our wonderful videos this season. Thanks and happy gardening!